Hi guys, thank you for always staying with my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a simple scrunchies like this. This is very perfect for beginners, and also you can make it for yourself, give us a gift, and also if you want to sell it, whatever your purpose. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Here the material that I use 5 ply for the black one, and also for the ginger or yellow, this one. And then I use 3.5 hook here, and also you need to have elastic band like this. I need to use scissor, needle, and also marker. So without wasting your time, let us start it. Grab your yarn and also this elastic band, and then make slip knot here. Crochet to cover all of this band until to here. So don't forget to mark your first stitch here, and this is the first stitch of my scrunchies here. To make single crochet to cover the elastic band. Just pull it and make sure all of this covered. So this is the last stitch here. Now slip stitch to the first one. In here, make a slip stitch. So now we want to change the color of this yarn and move to the second row. Take this one, this, and then pull black one like this. Okay, and pull again with the yellow. Okay, now make 3 chain here. This one, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, in the next stitch make 2 double crochet again. This, and then move to the next 2 double crochet. Okay, move to the next. Make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. To the next stitch here, this one. So repeat this pattern until covered all this black one. So in this second row, for each stitch here, you make 2 double crochet. This is called as increase here. In the last stitch here, make 2 double crochet, and then we will make slip stitch after that. So go to the first stitch here. This is the first stitch, and then make slip stitch. Now I will start third row. I will add 3 chain and then make 3 double crochet in the first stitch. Now move to the next stitch. Make 3 double crochet. So in this third row, you should make 3 double crochet for each of stitch here. Just repeat this until back to this here. This is the last stitch here. Make 3 double crochet for each of stitch. Now I have 2 stitches left. I will make 3 double crochet for each of these stitch, and then in the last stitch I will change color to the black again. Now I slip stitch here to the first stitch, and then I will change it to the black. Cut this, and then bring your black yarn like this, and then pull the yellow, fasten it, and now make single crochet to the next stitch. Okay, put marker so you don't miss your counting. Move to the next, single crochet, move to the next, single crochet, and move to the next, single crochet. Don't forget to bring both of this yarn in the back side. So when you make single crochet, put it in here in the back, and then pull your yarn like this. So this is the look after I add black here. Just repeat it until to here. This is the last stitch here for the last row here, and now make the last single crochet, and then to the first stitch make slip stitch, and then cut this yarn, pull this yarn, and then I will hide this remain yarn to the back. So to make it perfect here, I need to sew it again, and then pull it to here, go to the back, hide it like this, cut remain yarn like this, and this too. This is the look of my swatches here. I hope you enjoy my tutorial, And if you like it, just click thumb below and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new tutorial from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.